Happy 4th of July, everybody. This is just a quick video. This is something I generally don't do, but I figured let's give it a shot. Why not? It's kind of a down and dirty video, so nothing exciting, no frills, no thrills, not getting into any particular detail. Today's video is just basically, well, to celebrate the holidays. The best way to do it is go down to your local secondhand store. In this case, today I went down to my local Goodwill stores and bought a bunch of merchandise. Now what you see in the background, those radios, not bought today. Those are going to be for a near future video, so look for those coming up quick. First up on the bench we have a Canon EOS Rebel XT. It's a 8 megapixel camera. Did not come with the lens, it was body only. Lens is mine, my previous junk. Did come with a battery and battery charger. Flash, I may need to give that a little love. I couldn't get it to pop up. Next thing I bought was a box of Cat 5e NIC cable. I do not think it's full box, but that's okay. So I do apologize that all of this is not in frame too good, as just a quick video is my intent, so I didn't really set everything up pretty, kind of threw it up. Yeah, I think I got my $3.20 worth. I picked up a power supply for one of my vintage Kodak consumer cameras. Picked up some other cables. I didn't necessarily need this. Didn't necessarily need this USB cable. It came in a package, so I figured, hey, it's wire, and if nothing else, it's ends. But I bought it primarily for this cable right here. Next thing, this is something that I'm extremely excited for. Without cheating, how many of you know what that is? How many of you know what the significance of that is? Price PXL2000. What's that look like to you? Looks like a video camera to you? Yeah, it is. What's kind of cool about this little guy? See what I just pulled out of there? Remember, that is a video camera. That is a standard audio cassette. So I'm going to look very much forward to seeing what's on that tape. These were marketed to children. And I picked up this cable. We'll show you why we got that cable here in just a moment. But it's that special cable. Also picked up a couple of audio cassettes. I did not necessarily need audio cassettes, as I have a whole plethora of them, but I picked up some 60 minutes because the 60 minutes I have I didn't want to destroy, and that's basically what's going to happen with these. I needed test tapes, and I bought this. Again, I have tons of these things, but I needed something, a project that I'll get into here in a moment, well, not in this video but in another video shortly, where I need to gut this, and I need the housing, and so it's going to donate its life to me for its housing. This is for your older PCMCIA slot computers. So now you have Wi-Fi. I believe this to be brand new in the package. I just cracked it, the lid open. You got a little tape there. Might as well go all the way. We're here, right? Yep. So that'll be a future video. Majority of this stuff will be a future video. What is it? Well, it's a telephone. Marical phone. But this is oddware. And that's the only reason I bought the goofy thing. I paid $1.50 for it. See that? Marical phone. Direct vibe plus delivery sound, wave and vibrations. Fill your caller's voice. Pulsolator delivers sound vibrations directly to the brain's speech recognition center, unlike amplified phones. So basically, this little dude right there will vibrate your ear. I guess if the phone thinks you're sad, it'll vibrate. That's the way I'm taking it. You know, a phone designed for the visual impaired. So maybe it's really not oddware, but it's something I've not seen. Another thing I picked up, like I really need another one of these, and I haven't gone through this completely, but a big old massive camera bag. So I paid $2.60 for this. Really, really nice and big, made in Hong Kong. Very well padded. Lots of pockets. I have a lot of camera bags, but this is definitely a nice one, and it will definitely be put to use. Lots of pockets. Here, my friends, is what that mystery cord is for. Of course, I've not plugged it in, tried it, or anything. Panasonic model something or another. We'll figure it out here in a moment. The only thing bad about this, and I didn't really realize it until later on, it's no big deal, it's missing the aerial. And as you can tell by that, I really need another radio, right? Keep in mind, that's not my entire collection back there. And here we go for broke. We got power light.
On top of that, they were spending $1,000 more than they were.
Best defensive play of the game, because there's a lot to choose from, and I'm telling you, that number 35 Crawford.
Alright, I know this is just going to be, was supposed to just not demonstrate, but show what I picked up, my Pirates booty for the weekend. But this is driving me crazy, and I'm sure it is for you as well. We're going to put a tape in this goofy thing. Cool. Let's move on to the next item now. It is a Bang & Olufsen, however you pronounce it. Model number Beocord 1900. Have not powered it on or played it. I just plugged it into power strip and that's it. But as I was trying to get it ready for this video, I went to go plug it into the RCA jack. Well, there's a problem. There isn't no RCA jacks. We have this 5-pin DIN. I don't have that. So I'm going to have to see if I can find a pin out on that, just to see if the goofy thing, well, audio-wise works. However, we can turn it on and put a tape in it and see what happens. I gotta tell you, this thing weighs as much as a Sherman tank. It is heavy. Powered on, let's see what happens. Huh. VU meters light up and they look solid. Let's eject. That's kind of cool. And put in this hopefully non-copyrighted music, which by the way I bought today as well. And let's hit play and let's see what happens. I don't think you can see the wheels spinning, but they are. No activity yet on the VUs. We do have a mechanical tape counter up here, and that is rolling. So no activity on the VU meter. So we'll have to work on this another day. Very well could be something I'm not doing. Anyway, boys and girls, that's my haul for the day. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope this was a quick video like I planned. Probably not. Talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching, and Catch my next video. I'm going to do a quick preview of some junk. Catch it in. One last thing before we part. Did this off camera, and this is kind of cool, so I thought I'd share this with you. Check this out. Ejecting. It shoots that tape out a little bit, and then you push it in, and it clicks into place. That is so cool. Okay, that's it. We're done. Bye.